The Chevy Cruze 4Core radio upgrade offers a seamless integration with your vehicle, retaining essential features like steering wheel controls and the factory antenna adapter. Equipped with a powerful quad-core processor and 64 gigabytes of storage, this Android car stereo provides a fast and smooth user experience, allowing you to enjoy a variety of apps. Its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensures a user-friendly interface, while the Mirror Link function lets you display your smartphone's screen on the large touchscreen. The included HD backup camera provides a high-definition rear-view image with vivid colors, enhancing safety during day and night driving. With ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and offline GPS capabilities, you can enjoy rapid media streaming and reliable navigation even without internet access. The stereo's premium sound quality is enhanced by 15 equalizer settings, allowing you to customize your listening experience, while Bluetooth 4.0 offers hands-free calling and superior music playback.